Hello, in this tutorial I'll show you how to change your name on Alibaba. Now the first thing I'd like you to do is to launch your Alibaba application just like I have done right here. The next thing is, where exactly can you find Alibaba? Pretty simple, you can find it on Google Play Store or Apple Store depending on the device that you use. Once you launch any of those applications, locate the search bar. In the search bar, type Alibaba and follow through the on-screen instructions to install. Now, after installing the application, it's going to take you right into the application itself, the sign-up window, where you're going to be asked either log in using an existing account or to create an entirely new account. Now, whichever one you choose, once you sign in successfully, it's going to take you right into this fantastic homepage where you can now explore a lot of features to have an exciting time in Alibaba. So now that we're here, let's quickly hop into today's text, and that is how to change your name on Alibaba. Should I say once signing up, you use the name and you want to change the name, here's exactly what you can do. From this homepage, I'd like you to head over to the bottom corner of your screen where you have a couple icons representing diverse features. You have your home, tips, messenger, cards, and My Alibaba. So click on the My Alibaba tab and that takes you right into this homepage where you have My Others, Essentials, My Favorite, Viewed, my coupons, sourcing preferences, shipping addresses, all the way down to most or more features. So scroll the way up where you have your name, man is Favor Easy Experiment, and just right below it you have the edit feature right there. So go ahead and click on edit. Now once you click on edit, that takes you right into this window. So right here where I have my name, full name, right next to my name you see the edit hyperlink in there, or edit link. So go ahead and click on that edit link and that takes you here. So you can now change the name to whatever you want. So just click on the name right there, edit it. You're going to see your keypad's going to pop up. So edit it, change the first name, change the last name. And once you change this name, just go ahead and hit on the save button at the top right corner of your screen and you see that your name is going to be saved. So I pretty don't know what my name is just, so I'm gonna edit this to Favor and I'm just going to punch the save button and my name's going to be saved. So it has been changed to Favor Experiment, as you can see right here. And that's pretty much the process. This is how you can change your name on Alibaba. You can go about this tutorial from top to bottom to get acquainted with the steps, and of course once you're done you'll be good to go. I hope this video marvelously helped you search.